Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial we will be creating this beautiful fall look with a twist. This look is definitely wearable for fall or a really nice event that you're going to, even maybe like a Halloween look. If you're trying to have that cat lady cat eyes, you can definitely do this look as well, or you can opt out and not do the lower lash line and just, you know, do your eyelids and a really nice liner and have maybe a softer lip, and that's going to give you a beautiful fall look. So it's makeup, have fun with it, and if you don't like it, just wash it off. Anyways, so let's get right into it, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so I'm going to start prepping my eyes, and today I will be using Makeup by Mario Prep and Set palette. And this is such a cute palette. It has your eye primers, and then you also have your translucent powder to set that eyeshadow base. Now I'm just going in with the pressed powder and just set the whole eyelid. Okay, so for today's palette, we will be using Natasha Denona's Bronze palette. I'm absolutely obsessed with this palette. It is so cute, and it has the most beautiful, warm, and neutral tones. That's perfect for any occasion, or you can just, you know, use it for, I don't know, fall. So for today's look, I am gravitating towards this shade. We'll get started with this and then we'll see where that takes us. I might just end up doing a one color, but we'll see. I'm going to use the same brush, and this is a Real Techniques brush. And I'm just going to really pack the color, tap my brush, and I start applying this to my eyelid. And I'm just taking it up to my crease. Okay, just like that. Now I'm taking the same color with a nice blending brush, and I'm applying this to my crease and blending it outwards. So we're going to bring the same shade on our lower lash line. The next shade that I want to dip my brush into is called Magma, and I'm going to place this right on the outer part of my eye and slightly take it up to my crease and then drag it outwards. I just wanted to create a little bit more dimension. Now I'm going to dip my brush back into Sunset and apply Sunset right over that shade. It's just going to marry the two colors together, and it's going to look flawless. Now I'm going to use a 219 brush and have a mixture of both of the colors on my brush and bring it down to my lower lash line and really create that definition. I'm going to grab a nice clean fluffy brush, and this could be any blending brush that you have that's clean, and you just want to go over the outer edges of that eye area. So you just want to blend everything out and make it seem very seamless and diffused. Okay, so for today's eyeliner, I will be using Anastasia's jet black liner, and this is waterproof and it gives you the most blackest color ever. So what you want to do is start off with applying this really close to your lash line, then you can gradually make it thicker if you need to, but I always start off with a really nice thin eyeliner, and then I get a feel of what I really want to do with it and then go on. So I think for today's look, I'm going to extend this inwards a little bit just to give myself that really nice elongated effect. Much better. Oh yeah, I'm loving this. Okay, so I think what I want to do now is I want to create that same wing liner look on my lower lash line, but just near my tear duct, but not really into my tear duct, but just right on the outer part of my tear duct, just to give myself that really nice elongated effect. It's getting a little bit more graphic, but I'm not complaining. I think I'm just feeling that vibe and I'm just gonna go with it. Okay, I think I like it. Pop on some mascara, and I'm using this Giorgio Armani mascara. I'm really taking my time applying my mascara because I'm not going to wear falsies. I want to make sure I'm giving myself a really nice full lash effect. Okay, so now I'm going to apply some bottom lashes, and this is called Precious by House of Lashes. For lips today, I'm going to be doing a nice bold lip because it is fall and we are trying to do a nice fall vibe. And I think I'm going to take this off now. I think I'm going to put my hair up. So for my lips today, I'm going to use a Night Moth, and this is a MAC lip pencil. And I want this to be a really nice bold lip. Oh my gosh, there's a little piece of hair here. Okay. Use a retro matte, and this is also a MAC lip color. And voila. Wow. I absolutely love, 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 love. So now I think what I want to do is add a little bit of By Terry liquid lipstick, and this is in shade Red Carpet, and I'm just going to add this right in the inner part of my lips. Oh yes. Now we have this perfect vampire ombre lip. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so. And I will see you guys next time.